Ukraine's drone operators are getting a lot of practice. Russia's low morale results in massive amounts of equipment being left when they encounter troubles. This leaves equipment that needs to be cleaned up by Ukraine's drone operators. As seen here, almost getting it too easy, as a BMP-1 infantry fighting vehicle that is abandoned, letting the drone drop high explosive dual-purpose grenade down below. These can penetrate over 60mm or 2.5 to 3 inches of steel. This makes the entire roof of the BMP a weak spot, as the first grenade just hit the edge of the BMP. The second corrected aim hits spot on, penetrating and causing a fire, leaving the BMP to become scrap metal. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.